In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Zoho Mail. Whether you're updating it for security reasons or simply want a fresh start, this process is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. First, you'll need to log in to your Zoho Mail account. If you haven't logged in recently, make sure you have your current password handy. Enter your email and password to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find your avatar. Go ahead and click on that. You'll notice a drop-down menu appearing with various options. From these, select My Account. Clicking this will redirect you to your Zoho Accounts page. This page is essentially your hub for personal information and settings related to your Zoho account. Now that you're on the Accounts page, the next thing you want to do is navigate to the Security section. Security settings are vital as they control access and provide protection for your account, so keeping this section up to date is crucial. In this section, you'll find various security settings, but for now, your focus should be on changing your password. Look for the Change Password option and click on it. This will take you to a new screen dedicated to password updates. At this point, it's time to do the actual password change. You'll begin by entering your current password. This action is a verification step to ensure that you are indeed authorized to update the password. After doing this, you'll need to type in your new password twice. It's important to choose a strong password, one that's a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance your account's security. After entering your new password in both fields, you'll be ready to finalize the change. Find the Change Password button at the bottom of the screen and click it. Once you do this, Zoho will proceed with updating your password. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that the change was successful. It's recommended that you take a moment to log out and log back in using your new password to ensure everything's working smoothly. Remember, regularly updating your password is a good habit to maintain the security of your email account. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your password in Zoho Mail. Thank you for following along, and be sure to give your account security a regular checkup for peace of mind. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to Zoho's customer support. Until next time, enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a secure account.